there. My name is Alfredo, and I'm calling from Visible Care. I'm looking for Cookie Ray.
Oh, yes. Hi, how are you?
Very good, thank you. Just want to know this call may be monitored for quality and training purposes. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Very good, thank you very much. I just wanted to tell you that we escalated your case about the gift card. The gift card will be updated as soon as you activate your service. What you will have, what you will have to do is after you activate, you will just need to confirm, and we will be able to manually update the gift card from a $100 one to a $200 one.
Oh, good. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. What's your name again?
My name is Alfredo.
Alfredo? Okay. I plan on activating as soon as possible. I actually tried to do it last night, but I haven't. It's my first time using an iPhone, and I'm having trouble with the initial setup. Like the iPhone, it looks like I have to do an initial iPhone setup before I can even get to a point where I'll see a home screen that will allow me to install Visible and set it up. Oh, actually, wait. I did get past. Hang on. I did
Sure.
get past the setup process, but when I installed Visible, when I went into the App Store to try to install Visible, it's not installing, and I don't know what the issue is.
Are you connected to Wi-Fi when you're trying to install?
I connected to Wi-Fi before I started the process, but I don't know if it got disconnected during the process or not, and it was hard for me to check because it wasn't allowing me to. It was hard for me to check at that point in time to see what was going on. But I was connected to Wi-Fi at the time.
Yeah. There are a variety of reasons. If you haven't finished setting your iPhone yet, that can actually delay doing anything else in the background.
Yeah.
So I would suggest to first finish setting up your Apple ID account and setting everything in your phone before you download the Visible app.
Yeah, and that's where I'm having trouble because I was up all night last night and I was struggling with it for like 3 hours before I gave up and just went to bed. But it was just giving me a whole lot of hiccups. Like, I don't know how familiar you are with iPhones. I'm not familiar with iPhones. So far, I'm impressed because I see how it works. Like, people say that if you have an iPhone, a MacBook, and an iPad, which I have, that the devices are programmed to recognize each other and automatically sync up, and it should be a seamless process. And it looked like the iPhone attempted to do that. Like, it was picking up the settings and stuff from my iPad, and I would get the verification codes popping up on each device, and I would just click yes to confirm that these two devices are legitimately mine and linked or whatever. But it kept giving me a hiccup at the point where it was trying to accept my Apple ID. Like it just freezing, and it got to a point where I gave up trying to use my existing Apple ID with the new phone, and I wound up just killing that option and creating a brand new Apple ID, which is not really what I wanted to do because then it won't sync up with my other devices. So just to get past that point and at least be able to install Visible and activate the card, I created a new Apple ID, and that allowed me to get further past the Apple setup and into the home screen where I could see the app and go into the App Store. And at that point, I selected Install Visible. I selected Visible, and I clicked the Install button, and I went through the verification process, entering my name and stuff like that when it asked for it to. But at that point, it just didn't install. Like, the screen would blink, and then, the graphics would indicate that it wasn't installed. Like, the install button, you know how usually when you install an app, it shows that it was installed and the app will show up in your tray? It didn't do that. It just kept prompting me to install the app. So at that point, and I don't think it was disconnected from Wi-Fi at that point because it made it that far. So I don't know what it, huh?
It sounds like maybe you will have to uninstall the Visible app and reinstall it again because it seems that it got stuck during the downloading process. Do you currently have your phone with you?
I don't have it with me. I wish I did,
Okay.
And I'm not going to be home for another hour. I'm driving right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I wish I had it with me so you could probably walk me through it. The only other thing I can think of, huh?
So what I can do for you, since you're driving, is that I can send you instructions in an email on how to set up everything in your phone.
Okay.
And I will send it to the email on your account. That is nakedeye@rocketmail.com.
Yeah, that works.
Mm-hmm.
And in the meantime, how will you know when to manually update my gift card? Because I wanted to make sure that amount was correct because I factored in, I factored in all the math at the time that I decided to make the purchase, and every dollar counts,
We would need you to chat back in for that. What I would suggest is just to reference the ticket number of your case so that our agents are able to pull it immediately, and we will be able to escalate it immediately to do the manual update.
Oh, good. What's the ticket number?
I can get it for you. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Do you have anything? I don't think you have anything to write with right now. I can send your ticket number on your email.
I would appreciate that. Thank you. Would you mind calling me back maybe around this time tomorrow?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, because hopefully I have it set up by then. I'm really eager to get it set up, get the phone set up so I can try it out and stuff,
All right, yeah, we can do that. So I will send you an email with the instructions on what to do. And that will include the ticket number. I don't want to hold you too much because I'm not your visa right now. You're driving. So is there anything else I can help you with right now?
No, but would you be okay with calling me back tomorrow?
Yeah, I can make a call like that for tomorrow.
Around this time?
Yeah.
Okay. What time do you work until? Would it be easy to call you like around 8 in case I need your help?
I actually work tomorrow. So what I will do is I will create a callback task on my name so that I have to do it myself. So I will be able to remember everything about the case.
Oh, okay. So,
yeah.
So you're going to call yourself? Okay, perfect. Would you be able to call me at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow?
Yeah.
Perfect, because I will be home around that time.
Perfect, then.
Yeah, and that way, if I have any hiccups, maybe you might be able to help me with it. But hopefully I have it set up by then.
All right, that would be no problem.
Awesome.
So I will just make a note in your case about that, and I will call you tomorrow, and I will send you an email at the moment.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Do you have any other questions tonight?
No, not at the moment.
Mm-hmm. Well, in that case, you can contact us at visible.com or inside the Visible app. Have a nice night.
Thank you, too. Okay.
Bye-bye.